everyone. Welcome all of you. In last lecture, we have seen that the expressions for the potential difference between the 2 points and the relation between the electric field intensity and the electric potential. In this lecture, we have to see the expression for the potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. Let us see the diagram for the potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. See the diagram in figure here. A and B, any 2 points in the electric field. A and B are any 2 points in the electric field. Q1 and Q2 are the charges placed at point A and B respectively. Here R1 and R2 are the position vectors of the charges Q1 and Q2, and R12 is the distance between Q1 and Q2. Initially, the charges Q1 and Q2 are at infinity, and we have to bring the charges Q1 and Q2 from infinity to point A and B. Suppose the charge Q1 is brought from infinity to point A. There is no any charge to oppose the charge Q1. Therefore, no external field against work need not to be done. There is no any charge initially, and we have to brought the charge Q1 from infinity to point A. There is no external field against which the work need not to be done. Therefore, the total work done at point A is equal to 0. Then, you have to bring the charge Q2 from infinity to point B. That is, we have bring the charge Q2 from infinity to point B. The charge Q1 affects the charge Q2 because due to charge Q1, the charge Q1 produces the electric field around it, and when we brought the charge Q2 near the charge Q1, the charge Q1 opposes the charge Q2, and during this time some work must be done against the charge Q1. We have to obtain the work done, and the work done in bringing charge Q2 from infinity to point B in electric field of a charge Q1 is given by relation W equal to electric potential at a point B due to the charge Q1 into the charge. Therefore, W equal to V into Q2. Suppose this equation number 1. We have obtained the relation for the electric potential, that is V equal to W divided by Q0. We have taken that Q0 is the test charge, but in this expression here we have to bring the charge Q2 from infinity to point B. So, in bringing the charge Q2 from infinity to point B, some work must be done. Therefore, the electric potential is equal to W divided by Q2, and from this we can obtain the work done, which is equal to V into Q2. Therefore, putting the value of V, that is the electric potential due to charge Q1, is equal to Q1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into the charge Q2 divided by AB, that is the distance AB is equal to R12. See the figure. The distance from A to B is denoted by R12, and R12 which is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. Therefore, the work done can be written here W equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Suppose this equation number 2. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy, and the potential energy is denoted by letter U. Therefore, U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Suppose this equation number 3, and this is the required expression for the potential energy of a system of 2-point charges, and this equation is applicable for a system containing a number of charges. See these two equations, equation 2 and equation 3, both equations are same, but here W is replaced by U because this is the work done, and the work done is stored in the form of potential energy denoted by letter U. Therefore, U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by R12. This is the required expression for the potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. Using this formula, we have to take one example related to this point. See the example. An electron is circulating around the nucleus of a hydrogen atom in a circular orbit of a radius 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. Calculate the electric potential energy of atom in electron volt. This example is near about 2 to 3 marks. Here hydrogen atom is taken and electron is revolving around it having a radius 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. The given quantities are E equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. R is the radius of a circular orbit, which is equal to 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, and we have to calculate the potential energy denoted by U. Hydrogen atom consists of one proton and one electron. Charge on proton is equal to Q1 is equal to plus E, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and charge on electron is denoted by Q2, which is equal to minus E, which is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Putting this value in the formula of potential energy is given by relation U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by R. The value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9. The value of Q1 is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Value of Q2 is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by the value of R is 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. Simplifying this, the product of 1.6 and minus 1.6 is minus 2.56. This minus sign is taken here. 10 raised to minus 19, 10 raised to minus 19 becomes 10 raised to minus 38. This 10 raised to minus 11 in a denominator comes in a numerator. It becomes 10 raised to plus 11. 10 raised to plus 11 into 10 raised to 9, it becomes 10 raised to 20, and 10 raised to minus 38 into 10 raised to 20, it becomes 10 raised to minus 18. Therefore, this equation becomes U equal to minus 9 into 2.56 divided by 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 18. Simplifying this, we get minus 4.347 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule. We have obtained the potential energy of 2-point charges is minus 4.347 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule, and we have to obtain the potential energy in electron volt. We know that the value of 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So divide this value by the value of 1 electron volt, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Simplifying this, we get U equal to minus 27.17 electron volt. So the required equation or the required answer for this example is U equal to, that is potential energy of a hydrogen atom, is equal to minus 27.17 electron volt. Solve at least 5 examples of this type. Today we will stop here and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.